In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the TradingView, undo, and redo buttons to help with your chart drawing. Navigating TradingView can seem a bit daunting at first, but don't worry, we'll go through it step by step to make sure you're comfortable using these features to manage your chart drawings efficiently. First, you'll want to start by heading over to TradingView, which is a comprehensive platform that lets you track and analyze a wide range of markets. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled Super Charts and give it a click. This will open up a new world of visual data and charting tools for you to explore. Once in the Super Charts, you'll need to familiarize yourself with the drawing tools available. Let's start by finding the Extended Line tool. Click on it to select, which allows us to create clear and distinct lines on the chart. This is particularly useful for technical analysis, helping you identify trends and potential breakouts. Now, let's draw something. Whether it's a line, shape, or even a label, using these visual aids can help illustrate key data points or trends on your chart. Drawing tools can greatly enhance your understanding and presentation of the data you're analyzing. So, go ahead and try drawing a few lines or shapes to get the hang of it. After you've done some drawing, we all know mistakes can happen, or you might change your mind about what you've added to your chart. This is where the undo and redo buttons come in handy. To simplify this, the undo button, which is represented by an arrow curving to the left, will reverse the last action you took. So if you drew a line that you no longer need, just tap undo. This feature is incredibly useful for those moments where you want to quickly correct a minor mistake or rethink that last drawing. Of course, sometimes after undoing, you might decide that your first instinct was actually correct. That's where the redo button, with its arrow curving to the right, becomes important. Tapping redo will reapply the last action you reversed. It's a wonderful tool for toggling back and forth between different chart configurations to see what works best for your analysis. By integrating the undo and redo functions into your workflow, you enable a more flexible approach to chart customization and correction, allowing for a seamless editing experience on TradingView. Practice using these features with different drawing tools and see how they can influence your charting efficiency. And there you have it, a quick yet thorough rundown on using the undo and redo buttons on TradingView. Master these tools and you'll have much more control over your charting and analysis. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and you'll continue to improve. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.